DJI Osmo Action 4 normal. These are the shots directly out of the camera in 8-bit normal. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro 8-bit normal. This is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro 10-bit normal. These are the shots out of the camera in 10-bit normal in Pro defaulted. These are the shots out of the camera in DH-Log, HLG, high dynamic range. These are the shots out of the camera in H-Log. These are the shots out of the camera in 10-bit D-Log-M. These are the shots out of the camera in D-Log-M. These are the shots out of the camera in 10-bit D-Log-M. These are the shots out of the camera in D-Log-M. I hope the sample shots that I've taken the best I can do in default of Pro of the barge area, giving you an idea shot where the sun is up in this direction, facing that way, giving it a nice bright shot. Download the links are available for you for a limited time, so feel free to do with what you like. It'd be nice that if you do use the footage for your own needs for YouTube, that you basically just credit the author, Fishy Comics, courtesy of, and that I thank you. Enjoy the footage, and I personally hope it helps you out in your decision if you like to get the DJI Osmo Action 4, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, or the Insta360 Ace Pro that first came out that does not have 10-bit that I heard from people out there. It'll probably be added pretty soon. This video was made October 2024. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.